Somebody give me, somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer.
I'm cheating on Louis Vuitton with Chanel.
Maybe I'm telling myself that.
All right, y'all, so here's my OOTD. I have on, well, that's Brylin's soccer ball on the back. But this is actually a skirt from Zara. I have on some Adidas. These are actually from the men's section, and a super faded Adidas sweat top. You know, the faded look is kind of in, so we'll just rock with it. And then I broke out the Shanae. So yes, we're gonna go to, well, y'all see. For scent of the day, let's do, y'all, I have been loving the Mon Guerlain, so we'll do this for my scent of the day. All right, y'all, so I'm here. We are at Keeks. This is a voiceover because my volume was low on the mic. But yes, we're at Keeks, a designer reseller here in Dallas. So let's go shop. All right, so when you first walk in, you see this cute little selfie station. And then the whole right side of the store is Louis Vuitton. So it's organized by canvas. You first have your Damier Azur, the monogram, and then the Damier Ebene. And then in the very back, you have their discount section, which is multiple brands. So these are, of course, some of the larger bags like the Neverfulls and other tote bags, but they also have little wallets, key pouches, mini pochettes. And as y'all can see, they have pretty good prices, and a lot of these items are hard to find on the website. They have the Neverfull pouches. Oh my gosh, y'all, they have a favorite in the PM size. This was actually the first bag that I had on my vision board that actually started my Louis Vuitton collection. All right, y'all, so I see a last call section, and y'all know I'm all about a deal, so let's check out the last call section. Ew, look at this fringe bag by Gucci. That's super cute. This is $7.99 and 20% off. Y'all, that's cute. Oh, look at this Gucci briefcase. Look at it, it's cute. It is $9.49. and 30% off. Y'all, come on. And just to give you an idea of how big it is. And then they have on here when you shop the condition. So the condition is, this is a B condition item. I'm here with Bryce at Keeks. So we are at the Plano location here in Dallas, but you guys have another location, right?
Yes, we have one at Northeast Mall and First.
Okay. All right, y'all. So they have 2 locations here in Dallas if you are local to this area or if you are ever in town. But now what about, a lot of my subscribers are not in Dallas, so how would they shop you guys?
So all of our inventory is listed on our website. It's keepsdesignerhandbags.com.
Okay, and I'll link them, y'all, in the description box as well.
Yes, and you can get the same product here. We're in the process of getting all of our shoes listed.
Okay, so where would be a good place to start for someone who's maybe starting their luxury collection?
I would say any classic piece is the way to go.
Okay.
So for Louis, for example, their Speedy bag, it's going to hold its value. It stays in great condition. If you want to spend a little bit more money, Chanel as well. Their classic socks are always a great piece.
What's one of the most unique pieces that you guys have gotten?
We've gotten an Hermes Birkin. We get a few of those in, and they're incredible.
When a Birkin comes in, like what's the, like do y'all know they're coming in? Is it just like somebody pops up with a Birkin?
Some people just walk in and we're like, how do you just have a Birkin laying around? You're like, yeah, wanting to get rid of. I'm like, okay. So yeah, some people get them. We've had people bring them in and they're like, I got this as a gift and I don't want it.
Get you a quick little down payment on your house and turn in that Birkin. So I perused the store on my own, but let's shop y'all the price. And maybe you can show us some really unique pieces that y'all have now.
I would love it.
Okay, let's go.
Yay!
What? This is the Nano Neo?
Yeah, so this is the Noe Nano. I know, there's like Neo, Store. This one is practically brand new. The leather hasn't even gotten any discoloration. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. It can be worn as a crossbody or a shoulder bag, but it's a great size, holds phone. And
I've actually have only seen this online. I've never seen it in person. Like the crossbody strap length is perfect. That was super light.
It's so light.
And you said that y'all just got this in?
Yes, we just got this in the last week or so.
Okay, so this whole section.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at something else that's unique.
Perfect.
So these are all of their new arrivals. So we just saw the Neo Nano. And then I have some Voyard. Y'all have like pretty much every brand.
Yes.
So do you guys take all luxury brands?
We take many of them. The few that we don't take, or we're slimmer on selection, is going to be Bottega Veneta or Ferragamo.
Okay.
They're not as quick of sellers for us in the resale market.
Okay, that makes sense. Oops.
So we'll do select styles.
Y'all, my vlogging skills are struggling right now. Okay, so let's look at another unique piece.
Perfect.
This I feel like it's super unique.
Yes, it is gorgeous. I love the velvet of it, and then the
So that's
stitching.
I feel like a lot of people like the classics, but the people who are like already into it, I feel
Yes.
like they're looking for something different.
Absolutely.
I've never seen this bag before. It kind of gives me, what vibe is it giving me?
I feel like it's my Gossip Girl.
Right? Like
you watch that
Blair
stuff?
Waldorf?
Yeah.
I've probably watched the entire season 3 times.
Really?
And I can't believe it was Dan.
Oh my gosh.
I was like, really, Dan?
Really did.
Even with your sister, all the stuff that happened with your sister. All right, y'all, look at this Gucci. It's so cute. It's giving me, we're just saying, it's giving like Gossip Girl. It's giving Blair Waldorf. It kind of reminds me a little bit, okay, it's a little bit of a stretch, but like the Kelly a little bit.
Very structured.
So yes, if you're looking for like classic working girl, like about your business vibes, this is perfect. And the color, I don't know if y'all can, I feel like the camera's not doing it justice. Okay, so y'all, this bag is in like really, really, really good condition. And I noticed when I was walking around that you give different letter grades for your items. Is that the same on the website?
It's a little bit different. You'll see it in the sale section. So if it's a B quality condition bag, it's going to be some percentage off for the most part.
Okay.
So in store, you'll visually be able to see it with the color of the tag.
Okay.
But on the website, you'll see the sale tab and then what you're saving on the item.
Okay. Do you clean the bags or anything before you sell them?
We'll do a little bit of cleaning to them. We don't want to do too much to where it's altering the item.
Right. Okay.
But we'll clean out the interiors, wipe down the exterior, as long as it's not compromising the authenticity of the item.
Okay.
We'll do anything up to like repairs.
Okay. So have y'all got any fake bags?
We have had pretty much every day. There's someone walking in, whether they know or don't know. A lot of people are like, I was given this as a gift and I don't want it anymore, and they'll come to find out that it wasn't authentic. So we're obviously not able to offer on it and purchase it in. So we run all of our items through a third-party authenticator, so we pay authentication service.
Okay, so y'all heard that. Don't try to scam nobody. Don't try to come in here with no fake bags trying to get some money.
We will know.
Yeah, what's just a unique pair of shoes?
I love these Gucci's over here. You're selling, of course. They're a great deal.
You guys, look at these.
But they have the jewels, and the jewels are removable.
Oh, that's cute.
So they can be dressed up or down.
Okay, how do you, can I see where they're removable?
It's when you meet the boy, and then this is when you get to know the boy. You whip them out, show them your true colors. You're like, I am that person.
Psych, I don't watch football. You don't football?
These are the Flash Trek sneakers.
Do you have any, are these all your Gucci shoes?
Yes, we sold like 5 pairs today, so they're selling
I'm sure
so
that
quickly.
The mules go fast, like the...
We've sold more sneakers. There's a few of the mules behind you.
Whole section.
But the sneakers have been selling like crazy, which is surprising to me.
Okay, they have a bunch of the, I don't know, I think they're called the Princetown mules. Oh yeah, they have the white. So look, wow, Brittany, you could just look.
36.
Oh, 36. Okay, so y'all are 36. Move fast.
This is
His 30th birthday in Vegas.
yes, exactly.
Those are.
They're in like perfect condition as well.
Wow.
So fun, a good New Year's Eve shoe.
Yeah, so they do offer layaway too.
Yes.
So can you talk to us more about your layaway program?
Yeah, so it's on any item that's $500 or more. It's going to be 30% down on the first day, and then you'll have 60 days to pay.
Okay.
If you choose to cancel at any point, there's going to be a 15% cancellation fee.
Okay.
But you don't have any set payments. You make payments as you go. You
Okay.
can make it the first day and the last day. But
Okay.
as long as it's in those 60 days, you're good.
Okay, that's awesome. So
Yes.
if y'all are, I know it's the holidays, so if y'all looking to get something nice, and then you just ship out as soon as
Yep.
they make the final payment.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you can make payments in store or online.
Okay.
Everyone.
All right, perfect. All right, y'all, so I forgot to turn my microphone back on, but I wanted to introduce you all to Kareem. I will go ahead and put his IG information on the screen, but he also is an employee at Keeks. Super helpful, super friendly, very knowledgeable in the luxury space. So make sure you guys go follow him, and he can help you shop luxury as well.
We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. More than it is, 'cause I know really is. Dream about, think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have been.
Hey y'all, so it's Sunday. I didn't vlog really at all yesterday. I worked a little bit. I did go get my lashes done. Can tell. And if y'all are curious, I did mention it in the Chanel video that this top is from Michael Kors. All right, y'all, so as you know, I went to Keeks. I loved the experience. If y'all are looking to shop resale, pre-loved designer goods, definitely check out Keeks. I'll put their website down here and link them in the description box. But yes, I did pick up something. It was one of the items that y'all saw me trying on earlier at the store. And I guess y'all, I think I've just crossed over into Chanel. I don't know. I mean, I can still love Louis, but I feel like I'm cheating on Louis Vuitton with Chanel. And I'm sure y'all can probably tell that these are a pair of shoes. Y'all, they were in a brand spanking new condition. But I wanted to unbox them so that y'all can kind of see like what the experience is. So you get this cute little bag. It does also come with like a little card for your receipt and stuff. But yes, you open it. I got these Chanel slides. So here is one, and then they just have this like stuffing in it. I would try them on, but I need a polish change very badly, so I'm not going to. But y'all, look, these have never been worn. If they have, they've been like worn around the house. So my only qualm with these is that they are a size 39. I can get away with this, but I feel like I really need like the back to just be like a ½ inch longer. But yes, I love them, so I don't know, we'll see. But yes, my battery is running low. That's pretty much everything for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me. As always, remember to be good to yourself, and I'll see y'all next time. Mwah. Bye guys.